हीच आमुची प्रार्थना, हेच आमुचे मागणे. माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समवागणे. हीच आमुची प्रार्थना.
हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, सर्वांना नमस्कार. ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम वेलकम टू यू. आजचं युग स्पर्धात्मक संघर्षात्मक युग आहे आणि या युगामध्ये आपण अतिशय क्रियाशील सक्षम असलं पाहिजेत आणि म्हणून आपण एका धैर्यानं आपण एस एस एल सीची परीक्षा आपण देणार आहोत. कारण हे वर्ष अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. तुम्ही आतापर्यंत जो अभ्यास केलेला आहे तो अभ्यास या परीक्षेमध्ये किंवा तुमची जी सिद्धता आहे ती सिद्ध केली पाहिजेत आणि म्हणून हे शिक्षक, पालक आणि तुम्ही या 3 घटकांनी मिळून काहीतरी आपला विकास साधावायचा आहे आणि हे आतापर्यंत झालेलं आहे. थोडेच दिवस उरलेले आहेत, त्या वेळेचा पुरेपूर उपयोग करा. आम्ही हा ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम सुरू करण्यापाठीमागचा एकच उद्देश की आपल्यामध्ये असणारा जो गॅप आहे तो गॅप भरून काढावा. तुम्ही अतिशय क्रियाशील व्हावं, ॲक्टिव्ह व्हावं, याच्यासाठी आम्ही हा प्रोग्राम आयोजित केलेला आहे. तर आज आपण इंग्रजी या विषयी बोलणार आहोत. कारण इंग्रजी विषय इतर विषयाप्रमाणेच अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आहे आणि म्हणून हा व्हिडिओ आपणासाठी आम्ही बनवलेला आहे. आजचा विषय आहे क्वेश्चन टॅग. क्वेश्चन टॅग इज अ ग्रामॅटिकल युनिट. क्वेश्चन टॅग इज अ व्हेरी सिम्पल टास्क, व्हेरी simple grammatical unit. This question tag very useful for your examinations. While solving such a questions you will get 1 mark, and so that's why it's very important for you. Already I have given one exercise or the informations about the question tag. The question tag, nowadays we use the question tag for confirmations, and so at first we concentrate on structure of yes no questions. That is the question tag. What is the structure of the question tag? Now I will focus on the question tag. Structure of question tag. Structure is given sentence, then you put a comma, then you should find out auxiliary verb, then if the sentence shows us positive you make a question tag negative, if the sentence shows us negative you make a positive, so that's why I put not in a bracket. Then that is a subject. You should find out the subject. Subject is very important, but while solving the question tag, subject always we put in the form of pronoun and at the end of this question mark. It is a structure of a yes no type question. We turn to the short form. Short forms are very important here. Short form is also known as contracted form. What are the short forms? The list of the short forms like that: do plus not is equal to don't, does plus not is equal to doesn't, have plus not is equal to haven't, has plus not is equal to hasn't. Some exceptional cases are there. Am plus not is equal to not amn't but aren't. Then will plus not is equal to own, not wouldn't, won't. Shall plus not is equal to shan't, not shalln't, shan't. There are the 3 exceptional cases you should remind. Then we concentrate on, that is the examples. What are the examples? Already I have given the examples. I'll put one example. Mansha sings a well. Mansha sings a well. One example already is given. Now we are going to solve over the problem. Question tag. What is, yes, now here we turn to the structure. We turn to the structure. First you go to the given sentence. First structure, first element in a structure, that is given sentence. Means you write a sentence as it is. Now we are going to solve, yes, now we are going to write answer. So you should write a sentence as it is. So the sentence is Mansha sings a well. Then you put a comma. Then next structure, the element in structure, auxiliary verb. Now it is our task to find out the auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? Or which is auxiliary verb in the sentence? Sentence is that Mansha sings a well. In this sentence there is a no auxiliary verb. You must know the auxiliary verbs, all auxiliary verbs. What are the auxiliary verbs? In short, I will focus on some auxiliary verbs. What are the auxiliary verbs? To be's auxiliary verbs. Second one is that to have auxiliary verbs. Third one is that do's auxiliary verbs. And fourth one is that modal auxiliary verbs. Yes, we'll go in detail. What are the to be's auxiliary verb? Am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Okay. Next number 2, to have verbs. Have, has, had, shall have, and will have. Number 3, do's verbs. Do, does, and did. And number 4, modal auxiliary verbs. May, might, can, could, will, would, shall, should, dare, need, ought to, need, or used to, or must. All are the modal auxiliary verbs. Yes. And now here we turn to our problem. First sentence already, yes, I have written, we have written. Yes, Mansha sings a well, then comma, and now here next element is, that is the auxiliary verb. In this sentence there is no auxiliary verbs, and so that's why. How can, or which element help you? If there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, which elements help you? The element is that is a to be, that is a do's auxiliary verbs. What are the do's auxiliary verbs? Do, does, and did. Do and does shows us present tense, and did shows us past tense. There is no future. So here it is our task to find out a particular tense which is mentioned in this sentence. The sentence is that Mansha sings a well. Which type of tense is used in the sentence? That is a present tense. How can we identify this sentence shows us present tense? Because of a sings. Sings shows us present tense, and so do's verbs, that is a do and does, shows us present tense. So that's why do and does comes here. But which element, do or does, it comes here? Here does comes here. Why? Because sings, we know that third person singular form, sings, so it comes here does. So we take here, that is a does. Okay, we'll get the, that is the auxiliary verb, that is a does. Then we turn to, that is a not. I have given in a bracket, that is a not. Why? Already, yes, I have discussed about that. If the sentence shows us positive, you make question tag negative. If the sentence shows us that is a negative, you make a question tag positive. And for that the purpose. So now we concentrate, now we decide which type of tense is this, positive or negative. So we turn to the sentence. Mansha sings a well. This sentence shows us positive. Why it is not negative? Because in this sentence there are no any negative words like no, not, never. Yes. So here this sentence is not a negative sentence, but it is a positive. So it is our task to turn into, yes, convert into, that is a negative. Means your question tag should be negative. What is the negative here? Yes, you go there. So we take the not. Means here does plus not is equal to doesn't. It is a contract form. Always we take the contract form. That is a doesn't. Next we turn to the next element in a structure, that is a subject. Which is the subject in this sentence? The subject is, that is a Mansha. But you always put in the form of pronoun. You convert into pronoun. What is a pronoun for Mansha? According to the genders. According to the genders, yes, the Mansha shows us masculine gender. In Marathi we say that is a Pullingi. Yes, masculine gender. So the Mansha, yes, we take the, that is a he. If it shows us feminine gender, Strilingi like that, yes, you take, that is a she. Doesn't matter. So here, suppose it shows us a masculine gender, we take the, that is a he. If it shows us feminine gender, yes, you take, that is a she. So suppose I decide, yes, this shows us that is a masculine genders, yes, I will take the, that is a he. And at the end of this, there is a question mark. It is our question tag. Yes, I will put some exceptional cases about that. If the sentence shows us exceptional, I will discuss about that exceptional cases. If the sentence shows us imperative sentence, like take a photo. Already we know that. How can we identify the imperative sentence? Imperative sentence begins with a main verb. And so, if the sentence shows us the imperative sentence, it is known as in Marathi, that is a Ajñarthi Vakya. Take a photo, take, it is a main verb. And so, yes, take a photo, this sentence shows us imperative sentence. If the imperative sentence, and now you are going to question tag, how can we write? Already structure is a given. Yes, sentence you can write as it is, means take a photo. And then you put a comma. You always you can write, that is a will you. This structure is not applied here. It is a information for you. You concentrate on that. This structure is not applied. This structure is only for the, that is assertive sentence. But this sentence is not applied for, this structure is not applied for that the sentence imperative sentence. It is a note for you, instruction for you. So here, now here, take a photo, question tag. Yes, you write a sentence, take a, and then comma and will you, and at the end of this, question mark. Now, I will discuss about the another sentence. It is a part of exceptional case. Now here, let's go to the beach. Already I have given. Let's go to the beach. Means the sentence begins with let's, let us, like that. Let us. Let's go to the beach. Already I have given. What is the answer? What is the question tag? If the sentence begins with let's us, let's. Your question tag you can write that is a shall we. This structure already I have given structure is not applied to this sentence also. You remember this one point. So yes, this it is a informations about that the question tag. If you have any problem, you contact me. I think this task is a very simple task, so you use this video in your study and increase your life.